everyone, and welcome back to another tool review from the Makita brand. This is the Makita XLC02ZB. It's the lithium-ion vacuum cleaner, or as they say on their little instruction manual, the cordless cleaner. It's a nice little addition, something if you don't need yourself like a shop vac or anything like that for a lot of dust pickup. You can use this, and with all the attachments it comes out to just under 40 inches long, so if you don't have a lot of space to keep your tools in, excellent choice. And that's with all the extensions on it. You can also use it without the extension rod if you like, if you're trying to do, clean out your car, something like that. And it weighs in at, even with the bigger batteries, the 18-volt batteries, it weighs in at under 3.5 pounds. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box and take a closer look at it. And here it is out of the box. This is exactly how you'll get it. The accessories will be wrapped in a little bit of plastic, but this is the tool only, doesn't come with the battery. But it comes in like this. You've got the extension rod here to make it that 40 inches, so you're not crouched over if you have to vacuum something up off the floor. You've got the little thin extension here, clips right in here, getting in those tough places like in between your seats, if you're cleaning your car. And you've got the roller extension here, make it more like a traditional vacuum cleaner if you want to do floors. And then it also has this little wall mount. It doesn't come with any screws to mount it, so that'll be up to you, whatever drywall anchors or whatever kind of screws you need for that you want to use. Let's take a closer look at what this thing can do. So I'm using this with the Makita 5 amp hour 18 volt battery just for testing purposes. We're going to go ahead and do some tests, just picking up some sawdust with all of the different attachments and then no attachments at all, and we'll see how that goes. Overall, I think this is a wonderful little piece to add to your collection, especially if you have a brand loyalty for Makita. I know Milwaukee has their pack-out little vacuum, and I haven't seen that one in action yet, but I've heard it's pretty great. It's able to stack with all your other boxes and everything like that, which is awesome. But for this, I think I'll use this quite a bit. Honestly, for a vacuum, as far as vacuums go, for a little vacuum like this, little cordless vacuum, I'm very impressed. And I'll definitely be using it in the future. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and post any questions in the comments below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. And thank you again for watching.